In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Patreon. If you want your Patreon benefits to show up automatically in Discord, like special roles, private channels, or a community-only server, linking the two accounts is the key. I'll walk you through the process from Patreon settings so everything stays simple and clean. Start by heading to patreon.com and signing into your account. Use the account that actually holds your membership or manages your creator page so the connection applies to the right profile. If you have multiple browser profiles or you're logged in elsewhere, it helps to double check you're in the correct Patreon account before moving on. Once you're in, open Settings. You'll find it from your Profile menu. This is where Patreon keeps all of your account connections and preferences, so it's the best place to manage integrations like Discord. Inside Settings, look for the More section. This expands the full list of options beyond the basics and makes the Integrations tab easy to find. Next, go to Connected Apps. This page shows services that can link to your Patreon account. You'll see Discord listed among them. Click Discord to open its integration page. This is the dedicated spot for linking your Patreon and Discord identities. If you've connected before, you may see a status here. Otherwise, you'll be ready to start fresh. Hit Connect. Patreon will prepare a secure handshake with Discord. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, allow the Patreon page to open the Discord window so the login and approval screen can appear properly. Choose Continue to Discord. This takes you to Discord's authorization page. Make sure you're using the correct Discord account, the one you want to receive roles or manage server access. If the username in the corner isn't yours, switch accounts before proceeding. It's normal to see a summary of what Patreon is requesting, such as seeing your username and joining servers on your behalf for membership access. That's how your benefits get synced. Now log into your Discord account. If you have two-factor authentication, complete it as usual. After sign-in, you'll be redirected back to Patreon and should see that Discord is connected. From here, Patreon can recognize your membership and, when applicable, assign the right roles in Discord automatically. If something doesn't redirect, try refreshing the page, ensuring you're logged in to the correct accounts on both services, and temporarily disabling strict pop-up blockers. That's it. Your Patreon and Discord are now connected, and your community access can stay in sync without extra effort.